Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can be able to update your Facebook app on your mobile device, whether you're using an Android device or an iOS device. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. It's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS or an iPhone, then go over to your App Store. Since I'm using an Android device, let me tap on my Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, tap on your App Store. There you can follow the same step. They all have the same step. So what I have to do now is to go ahead and to search for Facebook, and I can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on the search icon. Then what I have to do now is to tap on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Let me tap on the search icon. Then let me type in Facebook, Facebook. Then let me tap on search. Right there guys is the Facebook. Let me tap on it now to open up the web page. Let me tap on Facebook. Right here guys, can see it more clearly. You can see the Facebook logo, you can see the Facebook name. As you can see there now, the Facebook app is out of date. You can see it is outdated. That's why you can see that update button right there. So what you can do now in order to update your Facebook app is to tap on where you can see update. So let me tap on update right away on the right hand side. Right there guys, can see the Facebook app has started downloading. Is at 1%. So what I have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. Then after that, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait a few seconds. It's at 5% now. It's downloading really slow. I believe it's because of my bad internet connection today. Let's just be patient. Right there guys, can see it's done downloading. Now it's installing already. So let's wait for a few seconds. So guys, now I can see the Facebook app is done installing. So what I can do now is to open my Facebook account by tapping on open on the right hand side. So let me tap on open. You can see now the updated version of Facebook is now opening. Right there guys, can see now I've been able now to update my Facebook account. This is how you can be able to update your Facebook account on your Play Store or your App Store, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you on the next upload. Bye.